In this lesson, we are going to use the first finger of the left hand to press down on the first string. Remember to use the very tip of your finger when pressing down on the string, almost like you're squashing the emojis. First, I want you to find the ice cream. The ice cream is on the 4th fret of the first string. Now, can you find the lady beetle? The lady beetle is on the 5th fret of the first string. In Lesson 4, you will learn your first tune, Sitting in the Sun. It has a combination of notes, the E first string and the 2 emojis. I will demonstrate how to play it first, then it will be your turn. We will use a 1-bar count in, just like this one, so you know when to begin the song. Okay, here we go. Try it a few times without the backing track, so you can get comfortable with the fingering positions. Well done. See you in the next lesson.